Home Chef has so graciously offered all of my followers $30 off of their first order. So check out the links below to get your first order of Home Chef. Tonight for dinner we are having some ground turkey with marinara. This one from Costco that I love. The kids are gonna have it with some elbow noodles, and I am going to like saute this zucchini in this pan and then serve it over that. I much prefer zucchini like this over like the zoodles. The texture is kind of gross. And then I went ahead and made salads for everybody. So that is going to be dinner tonight. And then a little tip, I always prepare extra, like I think this is 2.5 pounds of ground turkey. And then I'll take half of it and put it in a container for tomorrow's dinner, which is going to be chili because it is Halloween, and I will show you guys how I make my turkey chili, but it's super easy. Gonna put it in the crock pot in the morning. So I went ahead and made the turkey now and got the zucchini ready for the chili as well, so it'll be really, really easy. I know you guys are gonna ask me how I do the zucchini, and I just have some olive oil in there and some pepper, and I season them just with garlic, pepper, and then at the very end I will put some red pepper flakes on them because I like a little spice. And you just cook them until they're, well, I guess you cook them until you like the texture. I like them a little harder, so I cook them maybe 5-ish minutes. And then of course you just boil the noodles, and then in here it's just that delicious marinara sauce from Costco. It's the closest to homemade. And with the ground turkey, I just sauteed onion and garlic, and then I pour that over and let it simmer. So there's no recipe for this. This is just super duper. As you guys saw, I was going to be making a chili with the remainder of that ground turkey. So I have all of my turkey chili supplies here. I really love to load up my chili with a ton of veggies. It was actually Halloween, and we were having some friends over for Halloween on this night. So I love making chili in the crock pot to feed a lot of people, and it's really, really easy and super healthy the way that I make it. So just going through all the ingredients and dumping it into the crock pot, there really is no wrong way to make chili. And I would love to know if you guys have any chili recipes that you love. Post them down in the comments below so I can check them out. So I just add a little bit of water in there, and then I stir up all those ingredients, and I cook this on low for about 6 to 8 hours, and it comes out so perfect. And we always have leftovers, which you guys know I love having meal prep ready to go in the refrigerator for me. The next meal that I am showing you guys here is a really easy salsa chicken crock pot meal again. I start with cutting up some limes for the quinoa, and then we have the Trader Joe's roasted corn, Trader Joe's salsa verde, and some frozen chicken tenderloins, and then the quinoa from Costco and some black beans. I go ahead and put the chicken, the corn, and all of the salsa into the crock pot, cooking it on low for about 6 hours. I put a little garlic on top too, and it comes out so moist and shreddable. We call these chicken burrito bowls, and my kids love them. The last meal that I'm going to show you is literally a 5-minute meal. As you can see here, it takes 5 minutes, and this salad was so good. This is the steak and pear salad from Home Chef, so thank you to Home Chef for sponsoring today's video and sending me this delicious meal. It literally took 5 minutes, and it was so good. I love combining fruit and meat into my salads. You can see I'm loading up my bowl with some greens, getting all my veggies in, but really what I love most about Home Chef is that their food just tastes so good. It's why I continue to partner with them, because the quality of ingredients are just so amazing. So this is before I added the brown rice and steak to the salad, and this is after, and it was absolutely delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some dinner ideas. If you want to get your Home Chef, click the links below, and I will see you guys soon.